बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. In this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful button art and craft ideas for you guys. These are very trending and these are very amazing and very unique button art and craft ideas for you guys. Hope so viewers you enjoyed this video. These are super amazing and most incredible button art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you want different other craft videos, then you guys must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are handmade and very amazing button art and craft ideas for you guys. So guys, remember me in your prayers and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super amazing and super unique button art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers must try these button craft ideas at home. These are super amazing, super unique and very beautiful art and craft ideas for you guys. So also you must try these at your homes and must share your ideas with me. These are very pretty, these are very amazing collection for you guys. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.